equation. First of all, definition of differential equation. An equation involves the dependent variable independent variable and differential coefficient is called a differential equation. Example, dy upon dx plus y equal to x and d square y over dx square plus dy upon dx plus y equal to x. Now, second definition is order of differential equation. Order of differential equation means n order of differential equation means the order of a differential equation is defined as order of the highest derivative in the equation. For example, dy upon dx plus p by equal to q. The order of this equation is order is 1. Second example, d square y over dx square plus p dy upon dx plus q by is equal to r. The order of this equation is 2. Next definition is degree of differential equation. The degree of differential equation is the degree of the highest order derivative derivative which occurs in it after the equation has been rationalized. For example, the equation d square by over dx square power 2 plus by equal to 0. The degree of this equation is 2. And suppose another example is d square by over dx square plus dy upon dx is equal to under root of 1 plus d power 3 by upon dx power 3. So how to decide the degree of this equation? So on squaring both sides, so we have d square by over dx square plus dy upon dx is equal to 1 plus d square by d power 3 by upon dx power 3. So this whole square is h. So or d square by over dx square power 2 plus d square by over dx power 3 into dy upon dx plus dy upon dx whole square equal to 1 plus d power 3 by upon dx power 3. So the degree of this equation is 2. Let us see d power 3 by upon dx power 3 plus d by upon dx whole square minus d power 3 upon dx power 3 equal to 1. So cancel out this term. D square by upon dx square plus dy upon dx square equal to 1. So degree is 2. Now next point is linear differential equations. Linear differential equation. Linear differential equation. So a differential equation dE of the form dy upon dx plus p by equal to q is called linear differential equation in by where p and q are function function of x. Now working rule for linear differential equation in y working rule. First of all, step 1 is find p and q. Step 2 is find integrating factor e power integration p dx. And step third is general solution is given by the formula y into integrating factor equal to integration q into integrating factor into dx plus constant. So we have one example depends on this example. So solve dy upon dx plus y upon x equal to x square. Solution of this question. Given that dy upon dx plus y upon x equal to x square. I call it, this is the equation number 1. On comparing with dy upon dx plus py equal to q, and we have p equal to 1 upon x and q equal to x square. So we know that the formula of integration is given by integrating factor equal to e power integration p dx. So e power integration 1 upon x dx. So integrating factor is e power log x and this equal to x. And general solution is given by the formula y into integrating factor equal to c plus integrating factor dx. So y into integrating factor is x equal to c plus right hand side q equal to x square into integrating factor x into dx, or y into x equal to c plus integration x power 3 dx. So c plus x power 3 plus 1 upon 3 plus 1, or by x equal to c plus x power 3 plus 1 means 4 upon 4, or y equal to c upon x plus x power 3 upon 4 is the final answer of this question. So कंटिन्यूएशन में हम आगे क्लासेस रखेंगे, इसी का नेक्स्ट कुछ एग्जांपल्स के साथ आगे क्लास रखेंगे. थैंक यू.